Okay, here's a quick synopsis of the market from August the 16th, 2010. So the first trading day of the of the week, and we were expecting some follow through, just to bring us up to date from what we left our view of the market on Friday. This is the close on Friday. This is the market profile from Friday, and this is today's. This is, of course, what occurred overnight. So we were expecting some follow through lower. And you see we did get that in the overnight session. The market did get down to 68.50. Our next real area of support was down around 61. So it did get down to approximately 66 in the regular trading hours, and then found some pretty strong buying, and had what appears to be another short covering rally. As a matter of fact, when you take a look at the shape of this profile here and the one that we had back on Friday, they're pretty similar. So I wouldn't be surprised if we have a little bit more follow through from this. Our main resistance is still up here around 91. So that's, I mean, we're not saying the market can get up there, but if it does, that would be pretty major resistance. And the next level is really where we got to today. It's in around 82. The market almost reached there today. And so this still remains a resistance area. On the downside right now, we're looking at 71 as temporary support. I don't think it's going to take a real lot to take it down through there, but if it does start to hold below 71, then we'd have about another 10-point move, it would appear to me. So those are some of the prices that we're looking at going into tomorrow. Here's our regular profiles, or profiles I should say, from the regular trading hours only. And here's our software from today, and you can see here that we did have two first trades that were triggered were long trades right here. We had a really great entry here, able to participate in a nice up move there. We did have a short trade signaled right here, and you can see the dashed line, so we were short from there. Even though it was the second setup, it was actually the first trade we entered, and then this, of course, was the third one. Now, as we went up and tested the known resistance area, our first one that we were looking at was in around the 78 area, and then the next one in around 82, up in around here. So we were very reluctant after the market had pierced through there. Not so much initially, but the second time in this area, much more reluctant to take these short trades. So we actually stood aside on all of these trades here from a logic standpoint, although there were 3, 4, 5, an additional 4 trades from the first 2 that we had. The first one got stopped out. The second one was a break even. The third one got stopped, and then this one had a nice profit. But like I said, these trades here, 3, 4, and 5, we did not take. I'm sorry, 3, 4, 5, and 6 we did not take. We did take 1 and 2. We considered them to be a good trade. So got to remember too that we'd only want to test or take a short trade off of that in the green filter with this first trade, because we knew it was at a barrier area. But once it got above that, it made these next trades very reluctant to take. And also this trade here, number 2, was very good in a strong up dark green filter, and had a nice rally off of that pullback down to around the 75 area. So those are some of the areas that we're looking at going into tomorrow, and we really think that really around the 71 area or so, if that doesn't hold, then we're going to probably get another leg down, and that's what we'll be looking for. Still on an intraday down basis. There is some important news to be released tomorrow morning. Housing starts and PPI, as well as industrial production, so those could obviously affect the movements of the market as well. So thanks for taking the time to view the video. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@emini-daytrader.com. And of course, this video is just a shortened version of the much longer one and much more detail that we post each evening for our members. So just so you're aware of that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.